Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the Deslob student. Hello. I was just wondering if you could hear that. My mom's singing and playing piano out there. And it was a matter of time. I'm at an impasse. I either assert my boundaries and remind her that she should be respecting that I have to sleep, or I need to get over it. I'm sorry if I woke you. Just open the door a little bit. I mean, it's like, if I tell her, right, this is her therapy, right, it would be wrong of me. I'm so tired. I just turned the fan on, but the fan makes the room so fucking cold that I'm bundled up all night, and then I'm afraid to get out of bed in the morning. I was trying to sit here and convince myself this was like lullaby music, you know? And I'm sorry, I'm being selfish by calling you to talk to you about how selfish my mom is being. Because I'm not doing anything different to you that she's done to me. I'm keeping you awake. I mean, she's only going to be around for so long and only going to live here for so long, and I'm just trying to stop the mudslide of me falling so far into you that I lose myself again, you know? And I'm calling you in the middle of a work day to tell me what to do. I'm wanting you to direct my life and me. Because I feel so incapable right now.